Have a new package. This is our new package. 3 pieces. This is for the bracket of computer microprocessor and blower bracket for FM2, AM3, AM4, FM2 plus motherboard. So we have a screw. We have the screw. So how can we mount this? Let us this is my old board, and this is FM2, FM2 motherboard, and this one must be like this. But the screw is short, but we can use the old screw. Why is it that we buy this bracket? Because the motherboard, once the motherboard is very old, the plastic becomes brittle. That's why it can be easily destroyed by it becomes brittle. So it's easy to break the plastic. This one, this part of the plastic, just like this one, we don't have no lock. The lock is broken already. So this is I think this is compatible, same size. So that's why I buy this bracket for my motherboard. And then we have another nice packaging, bubble wrapping. This one is it's a high grade thermal paste. So you can see here is GD900-1. So it thermal conductivity 6.0 Wm-K. So it means that this thermal paste has a good quality. So and it is very expensive. I bought this because to have a nice high performance thermal grease or thermal paste with spoon, plastic spoon. So this is used. So where can we use this thermal paste? Usually for the amplifier and for the for the this one for the microprocessor. I think the microprocessor is still good. So we can put the thermal paste in order not to overheat the microprocessor. Also for the blower, we can put the paste here. This is high quality thermal paste. So we have 3 sets of bracket for FM2, AM3, AM4 motherboard bracket for the microprocessor, and then with high quality thermal grease.